Climate change is a hot topic in today's world, but unfortunately, there are many myths and misconceptions surrounding it. In this video, we will unveil the truth behind these climate myths and provide accurate information backed by scientific evidence. Join us as we debunk the popular misconceptions and set the record straight on climate change. It's time to bust those myths and educate ourselves about the real climate challenges we face. Welcome to our video, Busting Climate Myths. Things you were taught wrong. In this age of misinformation, it's crucial to learn the truth about climate change. Let's unravel the mysteries and clear the air on common misconceptions surrounding this critical issue. Myth number 1: climate change is just a natural cycle. Many argue that the Earth experiences periodic climate changes over thousands of years. But is that really the whole truth? The scientific consensus is clear. While climate has naturally fluctuated in the past, the current global warming is largely due to human activities. Our burning of fossil fuels and deforestation have significantly increased greenhouse gas emissions, trapping heat in the atmosphere. Myth number 2: it's too late to do anything. Myth number 2: it's too late to do anything. Some believe that the damage is done, and no action can reverse the course of climate change. But is it really hopeless? It's never too late. While the impacts of climate change are already evident, taking action now can still make a significant difference. Transitioning to renewable energy sources, reducing carbon emissions, and implementing sustainable practices can help mitigate the effects and create a more sustainable future. Myth number 3: climate change is a hoax. There are those who deny the existence of climate change altogether, dismissing it as a hoax. But what does the scientific community say? Narrator: the overwhelming majority of scientists agree that climate change is real and largely caused by human activities. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, and various scientific organizations constantly provide evidence-based reports confirming this fact. Myth number 4: climate change is just a problem for future generations. Many falsely believe that climate change will only impact future generations, and therefore, we don't need to worry about it now. But is that a valid assumption? Climate change is not a distant threat, it's affecting us right now. Rising temperatures, extreme weather events, and rising sea levels are already impacting communities worldwide. We need to take action today to secure a better future for ourselves and future generations. Myth number 5: individual actions don't matter. Some argue that the actions of individuals cannot make a significant impact on the vastness of climate change. But is that truly the case? Every action counts. While systemic changes are essential, individual actions collectively contribute to substantial change. From conserving energy and water to using public transportation and adopting sustainable practices, every small step adds up to create a greener future for all. It's time to put these climate myths to rest and embrace the truth. Climate change is a real threat, but together, we can take action to minimize its impact. Let's educate others, demand policy changes, and make environmentally conscious choices in our daily lives. Thank you for watching our video on Busting Climate Myths. Things you were taught wrong. Remember, by dispelling these misconceptions, we can foster a better understanding of climate change and work towards a sustainable future for all.